Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Rahman and today we are going to talk about Kishu, Inu and some also cryptocurrency and meme coins related news and updates I want to share with you guys. So before starting the video, must follow me on Twitter. You can see the screenshot here and also you can find the link of my Twitter in your comment box or also in my description. So now let's start the video. In today's video, I'm gonna share just little updates on Kishu, Inu going on and some hidden news with you guys and also uh, like something about the meme coins what people are saying. So without wasting any moment, let's start the video. Before going anywhere, let's check out the price. The price you can see is on your screen. We killed that zero, but now we are back on 0 point then I guess 9 zeros and 47 or whatever it is. The price is still down, and it's not only Kishu, it's the concern of all the meme coins out there. Shiba Inu, you can see the graph here. I'm having a very strict check on all the meme coins, the major ones people are holding. They're like got a lot of holders. Safe Moon, Shiba Inu got 600,000 holders, not a small number. And I know a lot of people are holding so big amounts in it. So what I'm talking about is before Bitcoin pumped to 50,000, I was hearing question when they are gonna pump. Like people are expecting when Bitcoin pump, these meme coins will pump also. But now it's not the same anymore because Bitcoin pumped to 51,000 and we saw no movement in meme coins. Not talking about not talking about specifically Kishu, just talking about the whole meme community out there, all the meme coins. So we did not saw meme coins doing as we expected. And I know I mentioned this in some of my previous video also, but this is reality. We have to accept that meme coins did not pump as we expected. Now what I'm seeing is people are doing a different question now. People are saying, is going to be another meme season specifically for meme coins? For example, like all season where altcoins start pumping. Is there going to be another meme season where Shiba will pump, Kishu will pump, and SafeMoon and all the altcoins will pump? And the answer is really hard because, right, like all season is okay, I can understand that. But meme season, last time meme season came when Elon Musk tweeted and all the thing. You know all the hype when it started. If you don't know, then it started with all the tweets and Kishu and Shiba Inu pumped, SafeMoon. Then there are a lot of altcoins. I'm just naming two to three. There are a lot of altcoins out there, meme coins out there, which made people rich. And I invested a lot in many meme coins at that time because it was hyped. Like NFTs are hyped right now. Meme coins were hyped at that moment. I'm not comparing these two. These both are different things. But at that time, meme coins were trending and everyone was jumping in it. Now no one wants to jump in meme coins at the moment. I'm not spreading further or anything like that. I'm just sharing my thoughts. I can be wrong also. But that's what I'm saying, that new people are not jumping, new investors are not jumping in meme coins with their major money. At that time it was happening. People were throwing money like blindly in meme coins and it was showing also like 10 billion market cap of Shiba Inu suddenly, and then now back on 300 million or 600 million, I guess. I don't remember the exact numbers, but the estimate. So this is a thing and we have to consider it. We can't just like close our eyes and ignore the facts. This is what's going on. Even on my Telegram group, someone asked me, is there going to be another meme season? We can't deny the fact also that people are holding, not only people, including me, you, and a lot of people, they're holding a lot money in meme coins, and we can't ignore that fact. And also meme coins are not dead or something like that. Like they are updating all the things out there. They are doing whatever they can. For example, specifically Kishu Inu. Now we're gonna talk about Kishu Inu. It's been minutes I'm talking about meme coins, but it was accessory, as I said in the start of the video. Kishu Inu, they 21 hours ago they posted a promo video. London Film Crew, when they did London Takeover. You can check it out on their Twitter. You can find the link of that video, but I can't share it here any clip because of copyright issues. It's their property, and other than that, you can see a tweet from Kishu. I'm just sharing this just to update you guys that look, things are going on there, but the price is not increasing. It's not their fault. I think you can now even physically pay with Kishu. That's huge on now payments. You can see they reposted now payments tweet. Kishu Inu, good news, physical stores are able to accept Kishu Inu payment with our point of sale solution. That's unbelievably good. You can now physically pay with Kishu Inu for all the things you wanna buy. And also someone on my Telegram group shared these pictures there. You can see that's amazing. Things are going on, but if you're disappointed like why the price is not increasing, I think in some time when the meme season arrives or things start getting hyping up, because now it's laying low. I know it's laying low. I can't deny the fact. Yes, it is, but I think this is not gonna go more down than this. I don't think so. I was happy to see that because like things are going on with these coins, because there are a lot of holders waiting for that 200,000 holders of Kishu Inu alone, and increasing all the time because people are still jumping in because they think it's not gonna go more low than this, and from here it will rise. And that's what I guess the team of Kishu thinks also. I can't share the whole news, it's not official yet, but there will be like huge contract there. I'm not allowed to share anything. It's just an insider news. It's not confirmed. It's not official. So it's not guaranteed. But there can be really good news coming up for Kishu Inu very soon. But I can't share it because I'm not confirmed it's gonna happen or not. Recent like in upcoming days, but still you can have some hope just in upcoming days for some really big news. But other than that, if it happened or not, that's some other case. But other than that, they are doing all the things they can. I really wanted to share like my thoughts on Kishu Inu and meme coins here, because a lot of people are asking. I'm getting a lot of questions on my Telegram group, YouTube comments sometimes. That's kind of answer to the questions. I hope you guys get me. That's what I wanted to share with you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.